Welcome to Language of Markets. I wanted to show you around the site a little bit, talk about how to get around and what's available to you, a little bit about what we do. At Language of Markets, we're a small, tight-knit group of like-minded traders, and everybody is welcome. So here is the home page. On the home page, you'll find a few videos talking about our approach to markets, talking about what you'll learn, and just giving you a feel for what we're about. Now, I called it Language of Markets because price is a language, and we can learn to read that language and learn from price flow itself, thus becoming independent. We're swing traders, right? We can take a market, structure it in swings, develop methods around that. And these methods will apply to any instrument, any time frame. They're principle based. We talk about stocks, currencies, futures, day trading, everything. Now, right here, this is the crux of it, right? This is where it all comes together. So I just want to highlight this for a moment. Method, management, and mindset. So in the teaching how to map a market, how to structure a market, understand the technical stuff, how to follow it rather than try to predict and divine it. And then most importantly, right, how to put all of this learning together into a consistent and disciplined trade plan, giving you the most effective mindset. So we take what we learn to structure and map, develop methods, apply appropriate money management to it, and then do this consistently and disciplined. And this is what gives us the mindset. I've been trading since the 90s and full time for the last 10 or 12 years. And, after I learned to see and understand and map markets, I bounced around for a long time. I'm pretty slow. And it was this part, learning to structure my trading into something consistent and disciplined, which creates an effective mindset for trading. And so this is where it all starts to come together, and it's what we try to get across. And I'm always trying to facilitate rather than just teach instructional steps. So, right, we do deliberate practices, how to learn in your own hand. So that's where that all comes together. And down here is just featured blog posts. And you can sign up for the newsletter, which hasn't been active recently, but will pick up again next year. I hardly ever send you emails unless it has to do with the newsletter. So feel free to sign up. Now over here, right, you can read a little bit about me. Mostly it's about you, right? Not about me. You can read a little bit about me. And then we have Tradecraft, which is the free blog. And you can just scroll through here, and I do various blogs on different subjects. A lot of times I'm doing a blog to help augment lessons I'm doing for members in the live session, so they can always come back and have something foundational. And you just click on it, and most of them will have a little write-up about what it's about and a video, and these videos are placed on YouTube. So that's our blog. You can search for whatever subjects and tags. And then there is the products page. And here, the basic product is live memberships for now. Now, obviously, this will evolve as time goes on, but it's live membership. You can sign up for monthly. You can sign up for yearly and save two months. You get 2 months for free. And what live membership gives you is 3 live sessions a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. They start at noon Pacific time. And members ask questions and communicate, and we go back and forth via a Slack chat room while I'm doing a video with my charts. And currently, membership is coming with a full-blown method course that wraps everything up, as well as you also get our stock list, which I'll talk about here in a moment. We're basically taking what we learned in the live sessions and applying it and keeping track of it. Mentoring, I do offer private lessons, but I'm not currently taking anybody. So if you are interested, you could always email me. So that's our products page. You just click sign up, and then you'll get a welcome email from me and be ready to go. Now, live sessions, this is pretty much the members page. This is where you get the link for GoToMeeting, where we do our live sessions. It's also where you'll access any courses available. And mainly it's where you can access all of the recorded live sessions. So you don't have to be there. I know some of us have jobs, some of us live in different places in the world. So it's recorded, it's put up a few hours later, and you as a member will have access to all of the archives. And you basically click on it and you'll get a small description along with what we did in that session. So these sessions, these live sessions, are a mix of instructional lessons, working with live markets, and getting questions from you guys as we go. And if you are watching the recording, you can email the questions. I love questions. Questions are how we all learn. And so there'll be a period where I'm working on something very consistently, a particular lesson or a particular structure, and we cycle around. We talk about everything having to do with trading in these sessions. You know, I teach two basic things. The technical, how to read and map a market, right? How to take price flow and structure it, and then how to take all of that technical knowledge and integrate it, bringing structure, consistency, and discipline into your actual trading, right? Integrating method into function. So those are the two parts, the technical and then turning it into something that's consistent and structured in your actual trading with a lot of focus on consistency, discipline, and mindset. Now, also as a member, you will have access to our stock section. This is always evolving, but we started doing this so we had a way to apply our methods and track them and learn from it. So it started out as a learning project. And here, what we're doing, whatever we happen to be teaching, whatever method you see, we're very focused on the swap zone right now. There'll be a list of things that are in process of setting up. And I'll keep this list updated, right? This is the hot list. And then there's also a watch list for the week that I update weekly, as well as a whole written out plan, so you can use that as a guide for your own trading. And then over here, you'll see, so anything we do, depending on open orders, anything we do in this realm, I will always issue the trading plan at least the day before, right? So these will be pending orders and these will be open positions. So what I'm trying to do with this project is demonstrate all of it, all of that we've learned in mapping a market and then putting it together in a consistent plan. So I'm demonstrating it live, and we'll keep track of the results and evaluate and journal, right? So currently we have 3 open positions, and we're just keeping track of it. And then any new positions go on here. So just for, so you get an idea, this is what you'll see when you come to the sessions. I'll be talking about the markets will be moving. You know, I personally day trade the futures, and swing trade the currencies on like a 60-minute, and swing trade daily stocks, and occasionally day trade stocks. But for instance, on this list, you see CF and LW are open, and these guys are current. So I'll be demonstrating things like this. All right, we'll do our setup, write out the plan, set it all up ahead of time. Same with this one. So these are current trade plans ready to go, and these were trade plans that got executed, and then we follow along and we manage it the way we applied. These are our current positions at the time of this recording, and even a monthly chart, right? We're in a monthly chart, so it doesn't matter. So that is the list, and this was always available to the members. Now, as a member, right, so we're going to have some courses. So I recently started to build some courses. We've been building it all year, actually during the live sessions. Currently, the course comes with the membership, but keep up to date, all that evolves. And so you can see how we're setting up the courses. I break it up into sections, right? Learning market structure, learning the setup, planning the trade, review, evaluate. So that's what the course will look like. Maybe I'll do a separate video on that. And eventually, there will be a series of courses, right? Method courses, and then market structure and practices. So right now we just have the one going, which is a complete method, management, and mindset, all trade planning, everything wrapped into one. Now, you can always contact me through the contact page. All right, just give me your name, email, anything you have to say. And over here is where you will manage your membership, your profile, your cards, where you can cancel or upgrade to an annual. You have full control of all of that. And so that's it. That's a tour of our site. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video. And you can always contact me with any questions you have.